This would be the last part of this lesson. So please read the content very carefully. Today we will talk about the religion and philosophy. In the previous class we have read about the economics and social structure of the later Vedic age. Today we are going to do the religion and philosophy of later Vedic age. The god of the early Vedic age lost their importance during the later Vedic age. So can you remember and tell me who were the early Vedic age gods of the early Vedic age? You just need to drop the comments if you know the answer. I'm not telling you. In this video, I want you to write the gods of the early Vedic age in the comment box. So use the comment box, okay? During the later Vedic age, the three most of the important gods of the later Vedic periods were Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the preserver, and the Mahesh, the destroyer. So the three main gods were Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. The early Vedic age had Rudra, Indra, and many. You will drop the message or comments. So Brahma was known to be the creator, Vishnu the preserver, and Mahesh the destroyer. Okay, this was a complete cycle. One god was creating, the second god was preserving it, and the third one was the destruction god, because three processes equally important. Okay, for the life cycle, even destruction is very important. If the destruction will not be there, the cycle will not move. Again, the creation cannot take place. Okay. During this period, the mode of worship changed considerably. Though prayer continued to be recited, sacrifices became far more important. These sacrifices had to be accompanied by a number of elaborate rituals which could be performed for the Brahmin priest only. So, with the time, the sacrifices importance has grown in the society because people wanted to please deities for their family, for their patron, for their crops. So sacrifices become very important, and with this, the other ritual that accompany that ritual is now very important. And for performing this, Brahmin priest had a very important position in the society. Philosophy. Towards the end of the Vedic period, strong reaction emerged against the domination of the priest and elaborate rituals. Around this time, that is in 600 BC, the Upanishads were compiled. The Upanishad criticized the ritual and laid emphasis on the right belief and knowledge. They also discussed the relationship between the soul, Atma, and the supreme being, Brahma. So children, as with the domination of the priest and the rituals, immediately reaction occurred. Strong reaction was happening in the same way, because when Brahmins became so important, they started applying their rules and regulations on the society, which in general created a strong reaction. People now believed in soul, Atma, and supreme being, Brahma. So they have now started searching for better. They have now started going with more spirituality, searching more answers of spiritual connections of Atma, supreme being, Brahma, new doctrine, and this all of the belief and knowledge is composed in Upanishad. New doctrines like the doctrine of karma or action, dharma, that is duty, and moksha, salvation, were evolved. So when the after the Upanishad composed the spiritual things like Atma, Supreme Being, Brahma, people started have a faith on doctrine of karma. New doctrines were there. They now started believing karma, action. If you do good, good thing will happen to you. Dharma, what are the duties of human being? One cannot do injustice on other. Okay, and moksha, salvation. The ultimate path is salvation or moksha. So, why do people do karma and dharma? They do good karma and dharma to attain moksha. Okay, this is the outcome, this is the final result which a person is seeking throughout his life. This belief in rebirth after death became popular. In other civilization also we learned that there was a belief of life after death or rebirth. So here also rebirth, belief of rebirth was there. Death became popular. Now people started believing that after the death again the life cycle will continue. So it is very important to do good karma because it will affect not only your this life but the other lives or other lives too. So death is also now, the destruction, the death, okay, is now getting more popularity. Concept of death. Okay, now let's talk about science. Astronomy was highly developed in the Vedic period. People knew about the movement of heavenly bodies and could calculate their positions at different times. This is how they could predict the time of solar and lunar eclipse. They also knew the earth moved on its axis and around the sun, whereas the moon moved around the earth. All this enabled them to prepare the accurate calendar. They knew the use of zero and how to make large calculations. Square roots, cube roots were known and used. You must be knowing, children, that zero was invented in India only. So in Vedic age, in the later Vedic age, people were very confident. They were very good in mathematics and astronomy. Okay, till now the Indian astronomy is very famous. Okay, astrologer use this prediction. They could predict the earth movement, moon movement. So they could predict the earth and moon movement around the sun exactly, and they were very good in maths also. Okay, so knowledge of zero, square root, cube root were also known to them. Who were Indo-Aryans? A branch of pastoral people who migrated to India from Central Asia. Sapta Sindhu is a land of 7 rivers. Brahmavart is the land of the gods, which comprised the region covered by present Western UP and Eastern Afghanistan. Aryavrat, the land of the Aryans. Hymns, the religious songs sung in praise of gods. Yajna, a ceremony in which offerings are made to gods. Pastoral, relating to the grazing of sheep or cattle. Ashrams, 4 stages into which the entire life of 100 years of the Aryans were divided, each of 25 years. So this is it, children. I am ending the video right here. Please go through the entire chapter and we will soon discuss the entire chapter in the live session, in which I will clear all your doubts. Please note down it in a copy if you have any doubt, and in our live class we will discuss those points.